All right, welcome guys. This is a beautiful day. Today is technology in some way. Yeah, Sunday technology. That's today. I'm going to go slow a little bit. I'll be happy to connect and chat with people talking about technology because this is tech, Sunday Tech. Yeah. So welcome to Sunday Tech. Hey everyone, welcome to Sunday Tech. You are with me, Remy, and we'll be going through Sunday technology. What are the new technologies that are trending out there? But also looking at development, key things that are very, very, very important as we are moving forward. Yeah. So let's start with the list. We have a number of things to talk about, but also we have a number of things to remind each other, which is good, which is really really good. So where are you? Which side are you of this world? And what are you doing today? How was your Sunday though? How was your Sunday? What did you do exactly? Mhm. What is happening with camera? Okay, let me fix this quickly. All right, I don't know how this camera, how good it is. I don't know, but we'll see. See. Mhm. So on Sunday Tech, we are looking at one of the trending issue, which is the Glock 4 and Glock 4 Heavy. It's something to be so so Glock 4 and Glock 4 Heavy have got a lot of hyper, and I think I was listening direct from the source. I was listening to Elon Musk and his team. So if you hear what they're talking about, if you look at the benchmark, it's really something else. Yeah, that's what I saw. And I don't know, are you using Glock in any way or the like? Because one of the capabilities, actually, I will talk about what I realized. So when I was listening to this dev team, it seems that now people are moving from building just ordinary LLM to building agentic LLM. That's what I observed because there was an issue of building multi-agent LLM inside the whole thing. So when you use the LLM, it shouldn't work like a normal LLM. No, it should work like agentic LLM. Which I think that's where we are going to be going to when we are talking about LLM. It has to be more agentic and more capable of doing things on its own. And another thing that I heard they mentioned is they are including now the tools inside. So that was really interesting. So there was a number of topics that were raised and discussed on the discussion that they had. It was Elon Musk and this other four guy. Yeah, I think they are all the team or otherwise, but they're talking very clear about what and very in marketable language about Glock, which to me is good as long as I understand what I get what they're selling, and then I feel like I can judge and I can jump into it or otherwise. But yeah, it was good. It was really good. Looking at Glock features and the capabilities, mm, you realize that there will be a shift. Mm, there will be a very big shift of AI tools and the LLM mostly, because the LLM has got high performance, high score in almost all of the benchmark. Yes, all the benchmark, the LLM has scored highly, very highly scoring, which is good. And that's one of the things we want to see. We want to see LLM doing better across. And according to Elon Musk himself, he said that the LLM, the new Grok 4, is like a computer, is like a PhD student who is good in every field. So that's where exceptional comes in. Because most of the PhD students, they are going to be good at a specific level. But this one is another story. The person, the LLM is is covering multiple disciplines, which makes it way great. Yeah, way greater, way greater. Hmm. Way greater. Hmm. Did I reach my time? Let me do that. I think so. I think I finished my monthly limit. Otherwise, yeah. Yeah. My limit has reached and I cannot use my PC, so I'll be here enjoying myself. I was thinking, I got this other idea. Anyone knows about latex? Have you heard about latex? Yeah, something that I think we need to build a quick open source editor. Um, Actually, on the internet, overleaf, they are the ones that are main piece. So what does it do? The latex is a software system for typesetting document based on text. LaTeX provide the high level, things like that. That's one of the thing. Why? How did I even come across this? Because trust me, I was not. It was not like someone introduced me to the latex, like what I'm doing right now here. No, this happened when I was working on a certain project. Mm. You see, sometimes you meet things and you can't even figure like, how did I meet latex? But I was doing some research on on a certain topic, and the latex came into the picture from nowhere. And from nowhere, I was like, wait, let me explore this because I don't know this. I really don't know this. And when I explored it, I realized that it can give you a lot more, because you can be able. So let me show you what I'm talking about. You can be able to create books easily using latex, and you can be able to do much with that. There's a lot. There's a lot. Let's find out. There's a lot that you can do with the text, but also, yeah, there's a lot. There's really a lot. I was very happy to discover this, and I think I will use it. I will really use it because it works perfectly. It works easily. You can do a lot. You can create books. If you want, you are into books or journals or information sharing, then this is your tool. You need to go for that. And that's why I was thinking about building something like editor. There is a good open free editor from Overleaf. You just need to log in, and then after you are in, then you are good to go. You get this kind of editor. But okay, let's log in. Let's log in quickly. Oh no, this guy. So you can do much. You can do much when you are dealing with any text-based content, or you are doing with any, mostly if you are doing books and the text content. It's a good tool. It's a really good tool. I tried it and I was hooked. They say, no, I don't keep anything. I'll share this with my people so that they can give it a good use. Now, the benefit part, what I'm thinking is now on the building of the editor itself. Because now let me take you to the leaf itself. Hmm. So you can create any, but I like to create blank. So power, no, AI in 2025. And this can be also a service if you want, but you need to build something that is going to go beyond. So this is what these guys are offering so far. They give you the editor, you can do much things. So let's say I want to write, do the research on the state of AI as of July 2025. Today should be 13th. Okay. 13th July 2025, and create full value path info book information report. Yeah, I think that would be good. One who is doing okay. Focus on model development, agentic and automation, new models that are trending. Like, good. Oh, I missed one thing, the format. So the only thing that I'm missing here is the format. So I will stop this for now so that I can do the format. I was supposed to say the final format. Don't forget that. Final report book for, okay, full value packed information report book in Outlook format. Good. All right, so we give it does the research and the like. And the good thing is now when it's done, you grab that contact, you drop it here, and you are good to go. Let's see who uses this. Who? Typesetting system widely used across various professional and academic principles. It is particular proprietary that require the inclusion of complex mathematical formulas, extensive cross-reference, and high quality typesetting. You see, it means that you can build fully nice, beautiful article whatsoever using this. So academic and research field. LaTeX is extremely used in academic, specifically in STEM science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, all of that. Okay, so you can do as you wish, as long as that it serves you specifically. And the code is basic. I looked at it first; it was scary, but then when I look at it second time, I was starting to grasp some idea. So it's a good thing to look at. I think as long as that you want to be change to contribute, you need to look at different things each and every day. And this is those kind of things that you need to look at because it gives you some information that maybe you didn't know before. If you know it, then well and good. But yeah, this was one of the good, very good one. I liked it. And my thought is, what if somebody built now a beautiful, a beautiful editor that includes all the key areas. I'm talking about including AI, including search engine, so search tools, so it can do a proper research and prepare a very good final product with this. That was my thinking. You can grab that idea. I'm here to share the idea. You can grab and learn with it and see what you can do. But if you want to include that, you can make it more agentic, more dynamic, which means that instead of user come here and type what they want to type, they just come here and see their books because it magically, boom, AI in 2025. Yeah. So few things to know to remember. If you are using AI generating, you might have some issue where the document is supposed to begin and it doesn't finish properly. So this is where you need to do that. You need to deal with that. So you need to have simple backslash and then begin and then end. So begin and end. Make title. It's beautiful. Let's see when this guy is done. Why are you failing? Okay. Yeah. This will not load because it's missing a last part, but we can modify it. So okay, we can modify it up to here. And from there we can end our document. Yeah, with this, should be able to compile and get this new document here. My main interest is now to make this because the funny thing is you can draw, you can put different looks and feel as you want. So think of this. If you send this to someone, they will feel it that there is a work that has been done, and also the value change from when you send someone a simple document. Why? Because this seems that it was organized by someone who knows what they are doing, what they want to do, and how much they value what they are doing. Which is a big credit if somebody think of you like that. Yeah, if people you are serving, they are highly appreciated your professionalism, your capability, then you have a winning ticket. I think it's done. No, it's not. So it's writing a very long thing, which I don't know. But yeah, so with this simple thing, you can be able to do as much as you want to build. If you want to build, and why this is necessary, you can build it for just testing maybe AI on device AI and the like, or the AI development. Maybe you haven't tested it. So when you build something like this, it gives you the chance to build something that you can use. And the libraries, I think, is Latex, those JS. I don't remember. I think so. Let's see. Yep. NPM. Where are you? Hmm. Yeah, so you have the library. There's a number of other library you can include, but this is like the primary SDK that you can use. So this is the LaTeX. But also you can choose to do it on the server end. Instead of you doing everything on front end, which include converting, compiling, converting to PDF, and then do the magic, you can choose to do all of that on the back end. So user receives just a link on front end. Yeah, really. Twenty 25 is a huge report. I was supposed to minimize, because all of these are wasted tokens, which is very bad.